prisoner suddenly crouched down, pretending to tie his shoelaces. Then he took the opportunity to pick up a centipede from the ground. This seemingly ordinary centipede unexpectedly became the key to his prison escape. While the other prisoners were all working, he secretly pulled out a scorching hot metal plate from the furnace. After carefully observing his surroundings to make sure no one was watching, he quietly placed the centipede from his pocket onto the metal plate. Soon, the centipede was completely charred by the hot iron. Then he quickly crushed the centipede into powder using his fingers. Just like that, the seemingly ordinary centipede was made into a natural laxative, and his target for the drug was the prison warden. He seized the moment when the warden was busy supervising the prisoners, quickly walking up to the warden's desk. Then he secretly put the centipede powder from his pocket into the warden's cup. However, the plan was still missing a crucial step, so he deliberately told the warden he needed to use the bathroom. The impatient warden told the man to hurry back. At this moment, the warden hadn't noticed anything unusual. The thirsty warden proceeded to drink the water containing the laxative. Little did he know he had fallen into the man's trap. In less than 3 minutes, the warden immediately felt stomach discomfort, so he quickly went to the bathroom. The warden casually hung his belt on the bathroom door. Clearly, all of this was part of the man's plan, and the man slowly walked out from another bathroom stall. He took out soap that he had prepared in advance from his pocket. Then he pressed the soap against the key. Just like that, a template of the prison escape key was successfully replicated. Just a few months earlier, the man had been observing the prison's entry and exit procedures daily. He discovered that the warden used this key to open the infirmary door. So he formulated this perfect plan in his mind. The next day arrived. Taking advantage of the guard's absence, he ground the metal plate into a key on the workbench. Afterward, he compared the ground key with the pattern on the soap, ensuring his plan would be foolproof. Now only the final step of the plan remained. First, he needed to use the key to open the infirmary door, then steal 2 special medications from inside. By taking these 2 drugs together, the user would appear to be in a state of physiological death. This way, he could leave the prison smoothly via the doctor's car. However, things didn't go as smoothly as he had imagined. Although he had the key in hand, how to approach the infirmary became his new problem, because he discovered that guards were conducting full-body searches on every prisoner. Could someone have discovered his escape secret? He fell into deep thought as he looked at the soap and key in his pocket. He knew well what the consequences would be if he were discovered.